mean, I'm just...
Sorry.
Why did you say sorry?
Because I saw I spilled it. Did it really hurt so much?
Listen.
I'm taking
Alright.
a video. I mean...
I didn't
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Who opened the condom? Noodles and noodles. Whoa.
Did you just say, hold on, did you say, who opened the condom? Oodles and noodles.
Look, it looks like... Yeah, what is this condom?
Mike, are you sure you're not having a heart attack?
I don't know. I'll tell you in a second.
There we go. From behind.
Whoa. Chill. I'm not that drunk. Eric, why'd you punch me in my fucking chest? I'm gonna die. What the fuck is going on over there?
Yeah, lie down.
Are you guys done with the game?
Yeah, you guys are up.
I don't have a
Great.
partner though.
I'll be your friend.
No!
Me too.
Are you done with it?
Yeah, I'm part of the
I
couch
think
show.
he's done.
Yeah.